So today I'm going to show you my apartment. So stay with me till the end. I have kept some toilet rules for me and my husband. Kitchen. This is where I work, and this is actually a tray from Ikea. You will see a lot of Ikea products in my home because it is the best to manage space, I swear. If you are planning to shift somewhere sometime soon, then try buying your products from Ikea. My living area. This is actually a sofa cum bed from Ikea. One of the main speciality of this Ikea bed is it has 4 storage, 2 here and 2 there. See, I'll show you. Okay, it is a bit messy inside, but it's very spacious. Apart from that, we have storage here, so that is where I keep my books and all those, unnecessary stuff. Yeah. This is my most favorite part in this house. I have decorated my balcony with some lights and this table where I have my candlelight dinner with my husband, and also some sort of greenery here. And look at the view, guys. If you like this video, please press the subscribe button and keep watching my videos and keep supporting me. So for time being, I'm going to sleep. Bye bye.